Hi everyone, this is Yvette. I have one more mini album to show you, and this one belongs to my grandson. His name's Brixon, and it is same as Layla's. It's 7.5 by 10, and the spine is the same. Yeah, 3.5. This is a Mr. Benjamin from Kathy King, and I did the cover here. I covered the whole album with Tyvek. I don't have some of her cardstock that's long, so I just wanted to see if I could cover the whole thing with Tyvek, and I really liked the way it turned out, so that's how I did this one. So that's the front, there's the back, or the spine, and there's the back. And same as the last two mini albums, I made this design because I wanted to use the little cards that came in this kit, and that's where I got the idea from, because I made this one before I made my other ones. So this is a waterfall with a pocket, and then it has a magnetic closure to keep everything nice and tidy. So if you would like to see this waterfall, let me know. I can do a tutorial on it, and my next Benjamin book that I make, I can show you guys how I did this. So they're 3x4s, and then I just added a little bit of border strips there. So this is baby's first year, and then it has, like I say, it had 12 cards, and I wanted to make use of them, and I gave her this as a baby shower gift, so I wanted her to see, like, if I would have put that inside her pages, and I'm just not sure if that's where she would have liked them. So if you put it there, then I just think it's nicer. And then I have a little insert here with 3x3s. And again, this is one of my favorites. It'll hold the same as Layla's. It's 140 because I used the same page designs. And there's an insert. And there's the paper. And here, this paper collection had 1 month, 2 months, so. And then I added a few stickers. Four by 6s. That's just a little card, photo mat. There's the third and fourth month. This paper is really cute. It's Echo Park, I think. I should check and see, but I'm pretty sure it's Echo Park. Yeah, it is. Sweet Baby Collection. There's a little page layout, little sticker up here, photos, 3x4s, 4x6s, 4x6, or 3x4, and here I used the same pattern just because I thought it flowed nice and it looked nice. So, and there's another journaling card here. I'll be making her more photo mats for these ones. 6 and 5 months. Another sticker up here. And if you don't have 3x4s, you could put a 4x6 and just use this as a decoration on the back. Trains, footprints, another journaling card. Photo on the back. That's 7 and 8. This is so cute. Another sticker up here. Three by 4s. Another journaling card. Nine and 10th month. She could do 3 pictures here. She could do a large one. 4 small ones here, 4x6s. Getting into the paper, the cute little turtles. The fox paper is really cute. And there's a pocket. And then a year-old and 11 months. And then I have another one here. 4x6s here. And then I use the rest of the 3x4 journaling cards here. B for boy. And another pocket in the back. And another baby bottle. Just gonna tuck her pictures underneath there. So this, like I say, is for my grandson, Brixon. I have another grandson, Jacob, and I'm going to be working on a different mini album for him. I'm going to do a box, and I think the Everyday Life is the one I'm going to choose for that one. So anyways, this is the last of the mini books that I've made for kids for now. I hope Rebecca likes Layla's and Hunter's, and this one's for Brixon. And I will see you guys in the new year. Talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.